Have you ever been detained by immigration at the airport before? If yes, was it the immigration of your own country or it was the immigration of another country when you were trying to enter into their country? What was the reason or what were the reasons why you were detained in the airport or at the airport? Or what was the reason or what were the reason why you were delayed not to go board the flight? Something has happened here in Ghana against a Ghanaian traveler and the immigration of Ghana, which is very interesting. People are so interested in it. People are so happy because that has happened. I want us to look into it and then I give my judgment. We say what we have to say, so you can also give your judgment in the comment section. Now, this is it. Court orders Immigration Service to pay 960,000 Ghana cedis for wrongful detention of traveler, which led to him losing his job in Germany. 960,000 Ghana cedis. Our old currency, 9.6 billion. 9.6 billion. Order in court. Now, this guy's case is very different. With his case, he was detained. Reason being that his name has been given to the police service that he cannot travel. He is on the list of people who the police are looking for. But in all, later after he was detained and not made to travel, he lost his flight, and according to information, he has lost his job. After the police did an investigation, they realized that it wasn't him. His name looks similar to the person they were looking for, and the picture and those kind of things were not him. So this man decided to sue the Immigration Service of Ghana, and the court ordered the immigration to pay that amount of money. Now, let's go into this case in other way. This looks a bit different, but there is some things that some Ghana Immigration Service officers at the Ghana airports do that people do not like. Mostly they do this to first-time travelers or maiden travelers, people who are traveling for the first time. They detain them for a short period, all in the name of these people are first-time travelers and we need to demand money from them. Before they travel, we need to get some cash from them. Before they travel, we need to take some money from them because where they are going, they are not coming back. They are going to work and get money. Some charge from 200 cedis, 500 cedis, 1,000 cedis, 1,500. This is what some immigration officers at the Kotoka International Airport, Ghana's airport, do. For what I know and what I have experienced traveling, it is the country that you are traveling's immigration that detain you and ask you questions. What are you coming to do here? Why are you going? What money do you have? Who are you going to? They detain you. Some can even detain you for hours because they have to make sure that you are entering their country with the right purpose. But in my country, some unscrupulous immigration officers who have made it their job, who have made it their business, will detain you for some hours, some minutes. You know, they calculate when your flight will take off. So when they detain you, you will be fidgeting, you will be nervous, and any amount of money they will ask you to pay, you will pay to them. They will tell you the visa you are holding is fake. Meanwhile, they know that that visa is not fake. They will tell you your passport has a problem. Meanwhile, they know your passport has no problem. They will tell you that you need this document, you need this document, you need that document before you can travel to the country you are going. Meanwhile, the traveling you are traveling doesn't require that. But because you are a first-time traveler, you are so anxious to travel. So you will be fidgeting, you will be nervous, and they will ask you, okay, because you don't have this document, bring this amount of money. Now, okay, because your visa is fake or it's not genuine, bring this money and we know what to do and you can go. I am talking out of experience. I have done a video about this before. Because they did same to me when I was traveling for the first time. You see, I had no Ghana cedi on me. They wanted to take dollars, but I said I had no money. It took my cousin to give that immigration officer 50 Ghana before he gave me my passport and documents to go. My second time traveling, they tried to do the same thing. But because I had the experience and I knew they were just only misbehaving, I stood my grounds very well and fought them, which made me go through without paying any money. It isn't all the immigration officers, but some unscrupulous ones that are tarnishing the image of all immigration service people or personnel here in Ghana. It serves them right for them to be sued in instances like this, letting someone miss the flight just because of some little money you want to take from that person, forging some things which are not true. I think some lawyers must come together to try and fight for travelers who are traveling out of Ghana to a different country that immigration people frustrate at the airport. Some lawyers should come together to support these people and encourage them to sue the immigration service. Even not the immigration service, the immigration personnel who detain people to miss their flight, who detain people, so that they get frustrated. Meanwhile, they know these people haven't done anything wrong. They are on the right course. They must encourage us to do more of this suing. And when they sue them, this immigration personnel who are involved in that must be forced to pay that money the court orders the immigration service to pay. They have to pay with their salaries. It must be deducted from their salaries every month. If they have savings, they must be forced to pay with their savings. It will make this unscrupulous immigration personnel stop misbehaving to tarnish the whole immigration service name. It's too much. Why must you frustrate your own people who are traveling out of the country? Why? What's the reason? Then some immigration officers, are so shameless to the extent that when you read the airport, you are a Ghanaian and you are coming into Ghana, you read the airport passport control, they beg you for money. And then what they bring me? What did you bring for me? What did you buy for me? Then. Shameful. Munjai. Immigration service fun bimuna kakrebina. Why wadwena wade weni brade. Won farade no. Wo go immigration service no nimase no. Munjai damada na ya. Stop it. This is a very good thing this man has done, and I urge a whole lot of Ghanaians to take suit. If you are being frustrated by the immigration people at the airport, you have a good case. While some here the inform here, try to find a lawyer and sue them. And if you sue them, make sure that the main case should be against that immigration officer now, who detain one or cause a frustration to you. Now, once start today, we'll see an answer. Anyways, I don't know what you also think. Have you passed through this, frustration before? Have you been detained before at the Ghana airport? Let us know in the comment section. Share your experience. Do you agree with what we are talking about over here? Let us know in the comment section. Share the video, like it, share the video for other people to come watch and also come give their opinion about what we are talking about here. Your boy Melody, I'll see you in the next course session. May all the courts rise.